glorious people, this is Glory here. As you all know, I work at a pretty cool place, and Iman's doing a cool gadzhi pop-up near where I live, which is actually just like 10-15 minutes away from where I live. So I wanted to make a journey down there and pick up the glasses of gadzhi. As you all know, it like sold out super quickly, so Mars was nice enough to reserve me a pair, and it was really nice. So I kind of just wanted this video to be like a mini vlog of me collecting the glasses and then trying them out afterwards as well. So come along with me on this little journey, and yeah, let's go get the glasses. Hey guys, today is the Sunday since I got back from Spain, and today we're going to Gadzhi's pop-up. So we're gonna pick up the blue light blockers that I've ordered. Amara was super sweet. She said she'll save me a pair, so we're going there right now. And yeah, just excited to see the pop-up store and collect my glasses. So let's go. Okay guys, I've arrived. Look at the freaking line. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Mara said she'll let me in, so I'm gonna go to the front door.
So, can you want to be in my vlog?
It was super nice seeing Iman and the team Amara, Alex at the pop-up, and I just wanted to say my thanks to him, you know, regarding the marathon and also the Spain trip. So I was really happy.
Is it still part of the Spain vlog?
Yes, it is. I met Thais.
Yo.
Let's go.
London, first time in London for me.
Yeah, first time, and he's filming it, so. So I just met Iman, Amara, Alex, Thais, and everyone at the pop-up, and it was super nice. So it's kind of like a nice ending to my week, so I'm really grateful. Otherwise, that's the end of my week, and thank you for joining me. Yeah.
So this is the box. Of course, it says Gadzhi there. And then open it. And these are the glasses. I got the blue Havana ones. Before that, this is a cool quote that I use for my Instagram post as well. It says, "The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision." And then we have the glasses itself. I got the blue Havana one. It comes in 3 different colors, as you can see here. So I got the cool one. There was a little bag here, so here's like a little bag that you can put your glasses in, but I just kept it to like clear the lenses or something. So we can try the glasses on. Here are the glasses. So like, I feel like from a distance, it looks a little bit like black, which I was like debating between black and blue, the blue Havana ones, right? But I actually really like this because it's not like super patterned, but like if you look close enough, you can see the bit of blue in there. So this is really cool. And you see the speckles. I've been actually wearing this for a while, and I do really like how it looks. So yeah, I really like it actually. I actually forgot to mention this because I'm actually filming this like quite a while later from the pop-up itself. But the only issue I actually had with these glasses is that it's not really fitted for an Asian nose. And you guys know I'm proud of being Asian. But the thing is, with these glasses, if you look at it here, you can see that I added these transparent pads actually. Because if I didn't use them, it would just slide down my nose. Because my nose is not tall enough. My Asian nose is just not tall enough. So the glasses just kept slipping down from here all the way down here. So I had to like get these pads for this frames. So luckily it works now, but that's like the only issue I had with these glasses. But otherwise, really stylish, and I really like them. But that's the only thing. And if you're not wearing it on your eyes, you can also do it like this. It just looks really cool. You'll probably see it in my next few vlogs of me wearing the glasses. So those are the glasses. I really like it. I also really enjoyed just going to the event and, you know, meeting everyone. It was really cool. And just seeing the amount of people outside waiting, I was like, that's crazy. Like just the amount of impact that this has had on people. It's just super cool, and the message that Iman has. And I think there were like 500 people waiting outside. So I'm just super grateful to be there and like be at the event and, you know, say my thank you to Iman and everyone. And I'm just super grateful, and also being able to live in London. So this was just a mini vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you for being here and supporting me. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. And in the meantime, stay glorious. Bye bye.